Today we bring you a very special video. We found a great profile on Instagram called Motherhood from a mom named Miriam who has the coolest ideas for kids. Today we wanted to do one of her activities with Gato Rainbow and Gata Moon. Today we make edible sand. Learn with El Gato Rainbow and La Gata Moon. Hi guys! Today we're going to cook some sand. What do you think we need? Look! We just need vegetable oil, flour, water, and food coloring. Ready? Let's go! Since we're going to make several colors, we will use the following quantities. Mix 1 ounce of water with the food coloring that you want. Stir it well. And then mix it with 1 cup of flour. Separate it with your hands until there are no lumps. Put it on a baking tray, spreading the mixture very well. Gata Moon, can you bring us the sand? No, not that sand. The one we just prepared. That's it. Put it in the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit in 10-minute intervals until it is dry. And once it cools, add 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Mix it well. And it's ready! We've made a rainbow with edible sand. This recipe is perfect for younger children because the flour is cooked and there is no danger if they eat a little. You can use it as a sensory activity, putting small toys in the sand, making castles, or playing with them to mix the colors. Kids absolutely love this activity. Thank you so much for watching our video. Subscribe to see more children's activities like this. See you soon!